Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the lock screen password to your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First of all, if you have an alternative way to sign in to your device, for example a Face ID or a fingerprint ID, then use it to unlock your device and then perform a backup, either a cloud backup to Google Cloud, for example, or a physical backup to an SD card or to a computer. And after backing up your files, perform a factory reset operation and set up your password once again. Now to do that, you're gonna have to go to settings, and in settings we're gonna have to swipe down to system and update menu and then select backup and reset. Here we can both create a backup and reset the phone by selecting reset phone and tapping erase all data. Now if you cannot do that, if you don't have an alternative way to sign into your device and you cannot access your device basically, then the best solution would be reaching out to OnePlus customer support service and telling them about this issue. And if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, for example by showing them a receipt from the store where you bought this phone, then they'll be able to help you out with resetting your device's password without erasing all data from your device. Now this is the only way where we don't have to erase all data from our smartphone, because other two ways to restore the phone's PIN code is by performing a factory reset operation. And if you have a Google account linked to your smartphone, then we have two options on how we can do that. Now if you don't have a Google account link with your smartphone, we only have one, and the one which we are left with anyways is the recovery mode. And if you want to know how to get to recovery mode and how to perform a factory reset on your smartphone using recovery mode, check out the separate video on our channel where we explain how to perform factory reset operation on your OnePlus 15R step by step, so you don't get lost and you do everything right. Now if you want to perform a factory reset operation remotely, all you have to do is simply sign in to any other device that you have access to that does have access to the internet. Open a web browser in it and search for FindHub service by Google. Open it and sign into it using your Google account that you're signed into on this smartphone. You won't have to enter your password. I just have to do this because I'm using this smartphone to show you. And right now, once you enter and sign in to the FindHub service, you're gonna have to open devices section and then select your OnePlus 15R on the list. Now if you're doing this from a separate device, from a different device, then after going to this device's settings, you'll be able to access factory reset option. So just tap factory reset your OnePlus and wait until this device is reset to the initial settings. And yeah, after that all the data will be erased, all the settings will be erased from your smartphone, and you'll be able to set it up once again. Now I only want to mention one other possibility. For example, so the one that I didn't mention before, this happens rarely, but it's worth mentioning since it can also save you from this kind of situation without deleting all data from your smartphone. So if you do remember the password and you're sure of that, if you do remember the password for your smartphone but you still cannot, well, your phone still isn't accepting it, then the issue might be some third-party application or some background activity that affects the way that your lock screen behaves. And in such case, in order to outrule this process, this background process, this third-party application, we're gonna have to restart our phone into safe mode. And to do that, we're gonna have to short press the power button and the volume up key at the same time, then swipe the circle to the top to let our phone turn off, and right after the phone restarts and we see the Android logo at the bottom of the screen, I'm gonna have to wait for a couple of seconds, and after a couple of seconds start pressing the volume down button on your smartphone and keep holding it until your phone is fully turned on. Once your phone turns on again, you'll be able to see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your device's screen. Now we can try to safely enter the password to the phone, and if you succeed this time, before trying to figure out which kind of application, which process could have caused this kind of issue, go to your device's settings, then go to security and privacy, then go to device unlock, then screen lock, enter your password once again, select turn off password, and for some reason we need to enter the password once again. And after that the password will be dropped, and we're just gonna have to going to have to restart the phone once again to reboot it into the normal mode. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.